think?
What do I think about what?
We're going to Tatton Park today. Hi everyone, I am at Tatton Park. It is the RHS flower show in July 2019 and we're just about to go in. Okay, we're going in. Yay, here's the tickets. All right, here we go. Famous people? Yes. So what are you thinking so far?
Sorry, too many people.
Ah, yes. Weather's holding up.
So far, so good.
So far, so good. Hi!
12,000 reasons why you don't want one.
Why?
That's how much they are.
I don't think so. My backyard isn't that worth it. So this is all the people, not all the people, but tons of people who are
Some of the
here.
people.
But too many. So we are back in the car. Yeah, pink.
Windswept.
Windswept, and so we've been there. What did we all do? We used our RHS card. We bought something. We talked to Pinard Seeds, which was really nice because I saw them on TV. And
Tasted the stuff, yeah.
We tasted it
seeds
too. We sat in on a herb talk.
We did a herb talk.
Herb talk too. We walked around, we battled the masses. There were just too many people there, as you will see. What else did we do? We bought stuff.
Got annoyed with some people.
Yes, we also had a coffee, and you had a tea.
I did. No, I had a coffee.
Oh, you had a coffee.
I did.
Oh my gosh, how different.
What's important?
And what else? I think we have actually just had the whole garden show experience. We didn't. Oh, we saw famous people. We saw Joe Swift. Yay!
And the other presenter.
And the other presenter, which we don't know the name of right now. So we had a very successful day so far, and now we need to go and find something to eat. Okay, right. He will continue to complain. Oh, he's going to get our spot. So, and we are going to have some lunch. Take care. Bye.